Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Samsung phone guys phone talk back guys how to stop. Friends, you want to stop guys Samsung phone guys phone talk back. So how to stop talk back in Samsung phone device. Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to stop talk back in Samsung phone device. So friends, you have guys your phone talkback setting, and guys you want to stop, you can stop. Use your two finger, and guys, first of all open your phone setting guys. One tap your phone setting and guys double tap. Then guys you can see this type of setting in your Samsung phone device. So guys, any two finger guys you will have to use, but guys we will use guys phone two fingers. So I will look at this finger guys, I am comfortable. Then guys scroll it with your two fingers. Accessibility setting we will one tap here. Guys wait here. Then guys continue, double tap guys, continue, two tap. Then guys click on talk back again guys, continue, two tap. So we will continue guys, two tap. Talkback is on, so we will tap here to stop talkback. Guys click on turn off option and double tap. So guys your talkback will stop, and guys you can use your phone without any talkback setting. Hence you can check. One finger we can use it. So like that guy we can stop Samsung phone by phone talkback. So bye guys.